Okay, so we have arrived here at the ranch at Laguna Beach. As you can see, we're right on Pacific Coast Highway, right across from the beach over there, here in Laguna Beach. And we're gonna have a nice getaway with the Lexus RCF, which was amazing to drive down here from Palm Springs. So again, weekend getaway, Lexus RCF at the ranch at Laguna Beach. Okay, and here we are. And this is the lobby and the reception area.
Hello, Mr. Sherman. Welcome to the ranch at Laguna.
Thank you. I'm good. Good to be here. Thank you. Okay, it is Luxury Fred, and we are on another weekend getaway in a great car. So we drove the 2017 Lexus RCF down here to Laguna Beach from Palm Springs. And we are at a beautiful luxury resort right here in Laguna Beach called The Ranch at Laguna Beach. And it's right on the Coast Highway across from the ocean, kind of set into the hillside. And we are in room 1108, which is one of their canyon rooms. And we're in building 11 if you're playing along at home. So let me give you a tour, kind of a very nice, modern, contemporary style, but everything very clean and new. So we have a nice bathroom area with dual vanities here, very nice fixtures and things like that. Everything is nice and new and clean. Over here we have the bathroom. Unfortunately, there's no bathtub. I always like to have a bathtub, but do have a very large shower in here. I like the kind of simulated stone/wood floor. Have a little mini bar set up here, with a mini bar down there, and even a microwave for cooking things, a Keurig with complimentary coffee. I like the thermostat and heating and cooling is nice and high tech. And then here is the bedroom area, compact yet very nice. You can see we have kind of the raised ceiling there, kind of a simulated rustic look, and then the two dormer windows up there at the top. Very nice bed, again, very nice furnishing. And then we have a little area out here. You can see that the resort is made up of these little groups of buildings that have the rooms in them. Some are 2 levels, and those rooms are 2 levels, and then these are all 1 level here. But you have this little nice outdoor patio, and then this kind of communal lawn in amongst the buildings. Okay? There's also a big golf course here as well, so it's also a golf resort. So that completes the tour. I'll show you a little more of the lobby and some of the outside areas that make up the resort. But again, Luxury Fred here at the ranch at Laguna Beach. So here's another look here at the ranch at Laguna Beach. So this is kind of the outdoor patio here. It's the golf pro shop there. It's late afternoon and they have a happy hour. So we're gonna enjoy some wine by the little fire pits. And then you can see we have the golf course that kind of extends into the canyon there. And as you can see, we're kind of surrounded by the canyon here in Laguna Beach, or Laguna Canyon, I guess it technically is.